Sorry, I started marking that out without switching the video on. So I'm just making this panel that we chopped off the Riley. So we'll just cut this out freehand. Shan't bother with the crop or anything. But having them big enough to pick this up and put it on the bench. Just fed up working on the floor. Just mark the other side because I need to fold that the other way. Not quite got that. So yeah, messed up there really. Bending it there, should have been there. I'll adjust that now. There, that's better. Right, I need to either stretch it, shrink it, can't make my mind up, and sort it. So that little front panel we've been making to hold the inner wing to the front panel. Oops, there you go, in shot. Let's just give it a quick shot blast in a new shot blaster. So we'll get that welded up and need to tackle the inner wing panel then. So, all welded, give that a quick linish up and be lovely. Right, so there we go, linished, soft padded, sanded off, what do you want to call it. It would have been nice to make it out of one piece, but I'm not as clever as Trev from Trev's blog, so that's what we've got. Right, so that inner panel, that inner wing panel, just here, a hole, there's a hole, and that kind of looks like it's meant to be there, but I'm not sure, so I'll leave that. So we'll just kind of put this piece in there. That'll look beautiful. So I've marked that there and down there. Just going to nip in the old slitting disc and give that a quick cut. And yes, safety gear's on. Oops. I barely touched it and it fell off. So I think we need to make one of those now as well. Right, we're now chatting about getting a new front panel because this one looks like it's a bit too tired. So there's that, bit of zinc primer on it, a bit of weld through primer on that front edge just there. Yeah, we'll deal with that in due course.